Yeah, I'm just gonna hit record now.
I'll bet you.
Yeah.
Not cover, please. Fake post.
Is it recording?
Karma, please.
Hello, Yellow Sea carring. This guy's shooting all of them at once.
Really?
Right now.
Okay, I got it. You can sing it though?
All right, watch out.
Be able to light them all.
No, he wants to do it right now.
Ernie, don't shoot it towards the people though.
That's nice.
Smooth.
Nice, Robbie. Bad memories for the song. Nice. Bad memories on the song. No, this is the song that I told her I loved her at the concert.
Alright.
And then
They broke up to the song too. Yeah, you know I loved you before, but I gotta put the same song on to tell you I hate you. You're dead to me.
And so we went out back to her home, we driving back.
Hold it upside down.
When we were saying goodbye, that song came on the radio.
Other Radiohead songs.
Like, are you fucking kidding?
It's all fire.
Huh?
What other songs did you sing?
Hey guys. I know all the words to.
Keep it on the ground there.
I know the words to Classic Trees, but you don't know.
Yeah, it's nice.
He's blowing them all up.
Yeah, it's nice.
Why'd you do it tonight?
A bunch of people.
Yeah.
A bunch of people that work at the school.
Gone.
I think your paper's out. Just light them all with the lighter.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
I need smoke.
Can I do the stick, Khalif?
Everyone look at my cigarette. Fireworks on his hand.
Oh shit, that one was low. Oh! Don't hold it like that, Bernard. It might shoot backwards.
I just rinsed the cigarette.
Careful, man. They might shoot backwards. Watch out. Yeah. Whoa.
Lighter, please.
I don't have one. A little bit more dangerous than you thought, huh?
Oh, that's why they always sell with finger sticks. Oh, they blow up in your hand.
Like, why is this guy lighting up now?
What does he do?
It is daytime.
He got hockey and left last night. Yeah.
Alright, now everyone's lost interest.
Although I guess he did get gin thrown in his face, so. He did?
You did? Me?
No, he like threw, like somebody like, I think accidentally like kicked sand in his direction, so he threw sand, and it hit Jeff in like the face or something, and so Jeff took his drink and threw it on him, and that's when he took off.
Who?
Jeff threw his drink in his Bernard's face.
Oh, I was drinking sand, so.
I should drink something, Johnny, I'm not sure what.
I'll help with
Oh, what he's having. That glazed over look. I want that. I think I said that last night. I was like, man, I want whatever John was drinking. That's so cheap.
I don't know how that happened, but it was easy.
I'll just have one, though.
Pretty hammered last night.
Pardon?
Pretty hammered.
I was fucking wasted. I don't even know how that happened so quickly. No? No one on that?
I don't know what she said.
Yeah, there we go.
You came down like from getting the meal together.
Yeah, I'd had like one or two.
Son's doing number on this guitar.
And then I think you had one or two more.
While I was making it, and I had one or two more.
I spent about 3 hours on a bottle of wine.
Alright, I'm done recorded.